like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan.
Hey MB crew, so we're going to jump right in. This unit is from JessieWig. So this is the Craystal Lace Curly 2-in-1 Bob style. It's a 5x5 closure wig, 180 density. So I went ahead and sprayed some tinting spray on my cap and the lace, and I cut off the lace off camera. So I'm just applying the unit, as you guys can see, and it's really snug. So really, I could have applied this glueless, so I'm mad at myself that I didn't, but this is a glueless wig, you guys. You don't have to use any got to glue free spray. So I'm just putting my band on. It's the Craystal Lace, so it looks really, really good, you guys, and it's easy to apply. So I decided to go ahead and do a side part. Basically, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and hot comb by the part just to make sure everything is seamless. And then I went back through the unit and I straightened it again and bumped it on the ends. It does come straight, but I wanted to go ahead and touch it up a bit. And you will see some waves in the hair because this is a 2-in-1 curly haired wig. So you can wear it straight or you can wear it curly. So I'm showing you guys it straight first. So it does get pretty straight. I had my flat iron on 450. So yes, and we're going to see if it will revert back to its original state. Applying the wax stick, I'm going to go ahead and lay down my baby hairs on the side. Because this is a closure, and you know I have a low hairline, so I did use a little bit of the hair from the unit. I did the same thing on the other side, and now I'm just putting concealer in the part. And I wanted to try this hack that I've been seeing all over the internet, where you use the black spray to line up the part after you put the concealer, and you cover it with your red tail comb so you don't, you know, spray the part black, and it just makes everything look so much more cleaner. So I really like that trick. So I'm just touching up my hair a bit, adding a little bit more wax stick for the flyaways. I have to show this part before cutting the lace off the wig, but this is transparent lace, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like attached to the scalp, well, to my hand. And it's a little bit more visible, and this is what the Craystal Lace looks like. So it's not as visible. It's really, really seamless. Didn't get it super straight, but for the most part I got it straight as I could, and this is what it's given. I really, really love how it turned out. Super cute. So now I'm taking my spray bottle and we're gonna do the test to see if the hair will revert back. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to spray, and as you guys can see, the hair is starting to wave back up. So I'm just spraying, get into it. The curls are coming back through, even after all of that straightening that y'all saw me do to this unit. So JessieWig, y'all did y'all thing. Just spraying it down with water. I'm just going to go back in with some mousse, and I'm going to run my fingers completely through the hair. Guys, this is what it looks like side by side, curly or straight. I like the curly side better. And excuse my shirt because I did get it wet. I should have took it off, but the curls are popping. I was saying, we've made it to the end of the video. Y'all done got to see this wig style two-way. So as you guys know, this is a 2-in-1 unit. It's from JessiesSelection. I've worked with them in the past. They have some of the best quality wigs because they have the Craystal Lace, and that Craystal Lace, it lay and slay me every single time. Like, it's doing what it needs to do. It's giving what it needs to give. So this is a wet and wavy bob that you can go ahead and straighten. You guys saw that I started out with it straight, and I wanted to start out with it straight, obviously on purpose, so that you guys can see how the curls do revert back or whatever. Now, I personally prefer it curly. It's a little too thick for my liking to wear it straight, but it was cute. It was still giving. But for those of you that want like a 2-in-1 look and want to be sure that the hair will revert back and the curls will, you know, be intact, this is going to be the unit for you. Because like, look at these curls. Like, you would have never known that this hair was even straightened. Like, that's so crazy. The cut on this unit is so freaking beautiful. I love the cut. It's an asymmetrical bob, so I do love that. And I love that it's a 5x5 closure, so you got to worry about no side tabs or nothing like that. So that's really nice. You just attach it here. I left some baby hairs out on the sides. Some of my own personal ones. Some of my own personal ones, really. Some of the ones from my hairline. And then I use a little bit of the wig hair. But that's about it, you guys. This unit was so easy to install. It was a really, really simple install. I love the fact that it's 2-in-1. So you can definitely get a lot of bang for your buck. The quality of this hair is nice. The only con that I do have about this unit is the amount of shorter pieces that are at the top where the closure is at. There are so many shorter pieces, and I know a lot of times companies do that to fill out the closure. A lot of times companies do that to fill in the closure and make it look thicker at the base. But the thing about it is I would have rather preferred the hair be all the way long, because these little shorter pieces were a little bit annoying. I came in front, so I used my wax stick, the slick stick, and that did help with laying them down. You can't really tell that much now that it's like curly, but when it was straight, that was like really annoying. And even with it curly, I did have to put a little bit on here, but y'all really liked it. but yeah, I really do like this unit. So if I had to rate it, I'm definitely going to go ahead and give this, oh, it does give a little bit of shedding, but it's not bad. I'm going to give it a rating of an A. It is definitely A quality. It's beautiful. But this particular unit is a little bit too big for my head, but it still fits, and it looks a lot better now that it's curly. You can't really tell that it's big for me. So yeah, I just need a different cap size, but it's a really beautiful unit. I feel like it's given. And I know, like, I didn't put, like, no curling smoothie in it, so I know this is going to get bigger because it is a little wet. But I don't mind that. I would actually like that bigger look with this kind of hair. This is, like, right on time for me for summer. Like, I wear wigs in the summer, and I prefer, y'all know I prefer shorter ones. I don't wear them during the day. You know what I mean? I'm a more, you wear it when it's cooled off in the evening when you go, like, to dinner or something like that. But love this unit. So make sure you guys check out JessieSelection. Everything about them will be in the description box below. This beautiful unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.